At any given moment, you have the power to say, this is not how the story is going to end. In this interactive devlog video, only you can decide how the finished game will be like. I will create it based on your decisions, so stay tuned. But before that, let's make the basics of the game. We will create a platformer game, so the first task is to create a player controller. I took some inspiration from one of my favorite games, Hollow Knight. Let's see the jumping. As you can see, your jump height is based on how long you press the jump button. If you just slightly press it, your jump will be really small. We can also see that when you release the button, you immediately stop ascending and start to fall down. This can be achieved by resetting the Y velocity when you release the button. The same applies to when you start jumping. Just imagine you are in the air falling down and want to jump. You can do this because of the double jumping mechanism. In this case, your jumping force might be too little to compensate your current Y velocity and you would feel the game is broken. To avoid this, we should reset the Y velocity before applying the jumping force. The dashing ability is really simple. Just apply some force and reset the X velocity after some time, for the same reason as in jumping. And look at the game so far. It's pretty ugly. Let's replace this rectangle with something more interesting. If you like this idea, give this video a thumbs up so it can spread out to more people. And now, let's make your first decision. Do you like magic and wizards? Do you want to do some magical things? You're a wizard. No? What about pirates? They won't turn you into a frog, for sure. I know it's a tough decision, but you can make it. I believe in you. Choose now by clicking one of the thumbnails on the screen. Or did you find something extraordinary in this video? That might be a key to a secret path. Yes, there is a secret path, but don't worry, you can also come back later to find it. 3, 2, 1, you lost. QR code.